mom's gentle smile, dad finally there. Picnics in the sunlight, volleyball in the sand, holding on to moments that feel like warm hands. Labubu beside me, a guardian small, reminding me daily dreams belong to us all. And when the evening softly paints the window blue, I feel the nighttime calling. Our adventures start anew, a world of floating islands and whales that sail the sky, a place where love and courage teach me how